parents of teens grades 6 through 12, for the next 2 weeks, we're hosting a youth media literacy and discernment workshop during midweek gathering. This is a great opportunity to help your teen navigate media with a biblical perspective. Take a look.
What we consume influences us. The ideas we see, hear, and engage with can shape our beliefs and our perspectives. Sometimes, without even processing or thinking about them, we accept these ideas as our own.
Media can be defined as any tool that uses our senses to deliver a message. Whether we mindlessly consume it, carefully learn from it, or try to totally ignore it, media shapes and influences our lives. Media literacy is about applying a critical eye and approach to the media we engage with. Everything from music, movies, and video games to statistics, news articles, and advertisements.
Throughout this series, we'll examine several different types of mediums or media and discuss how to deepen our media literacy. We'll share tips for how to become more discerning with AI, social media, news, statistics, music, movies, video games, and so much more.